Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refund stuff on Roblox Mobile. So first of all, just open up the Roblox app, and now what you have to do is, if you want to go ahead, if you are using your Roblox, you are going to just go ahead to the settings gear and you are going to tap on help. And after you've gone to your help, you are going to scroll down a little bit down until you find contact us section. Now you will see multiple options and you are going to see contact us, and here you are going to click contact us, and here as you can see Roblox customer team assist with billing and account issue related questions. Make sure to check our Roblox help articles. You are going to ignore all that and you are going to focus on the first point. If you need further assistance, review the below information and fill out the support. And now we are going to click on support form, and after you click on it, it will open a page just like this. And what you are going to do here, which is very important, you are going to enter your username, our first name and email address and confirm it. And here in this section you are going to select the issue details. So if you are using which device, if you are using PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, in case let's say I'm using iPhone, just type the help category, select it. I am going to just scroll a little bit down until I find that toy Roblox twice, and here you are going to see more sections: physical toy issue, toy code issue. So I'm going to just go ahead right here, physical toy issue, and I'm going to describe the problem like, hey, I want a refund on my item this and that, and you are going to enter the code of this item so they can have more access to it and they will help you even more. And after you've done doing that, you are going to just hit submit, and you are going to wait up 24 to 48 hours until they respond to you, and maybe they can take longer. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.